WhatsApp executive shares 5 tips for keeping messages private and secure. WhatsApp executive shares 5 tips for keeping messages private and secure. 1. 5 Enable disappearing messages for all chats. In Settings, Privacy, Default Message Time, set a timer. Options include 24 hours, 7 days, and 90 days, to automatically delete messages, including multimedia files. 2. 5 Enable end-to-end encryption for backups. Ensure that your backups on Google Drive and Apple iCloud are also end-to-end encrypted. In Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, enable end-to-end encrypted backups to prevent cloud storage providers from accessing your messages. 3. 5 Use the Lock Chat feature for added privacy. For particularly private chats, use the new Lock Chat feature. Simply go to the desired chat, click on the profile name, and select Lock Chat to add an extra layer of security with a unique passcode. 4. 5 Enable silence unknown calls for protection against zero-click attacks. Protect yourself from potential cyber attacks through WhatsApp calls by enabling the silent unknown calls option. In Settings, Privacy, Calls, activate the Silence Unknown Callers feature to prevent notifications for calls from unknown numbers. 5 Enable Call Relay to safeguard against IP surveillance. WhatsApp's Call Relay feature protects your IP address, making it difficult for hackers to locate. In Settings, Privacy, Calls, Advanced, enable Protect IP address in calls to shield your IP address during voice calls.